All right, let's move on to the next step. So right now we arrange all those white pieces and then T shape. What you need to do, just keep the cube like this, rotate like this. You have to keep yellow color at the top. So we are going to arrange these edge pieces. So for that you have to look for the edge piece which doesn't have yellow color. For example, this is having yellow color. Just leave this one. This is yellow, leave it. Yellow, leave it. You have to look for this piece. Consider in the top, yellow color, leave this one. You have to look for this piece, and this piece, right? For example, let's consider this is white. Keep your cube like this. Let's take this color which doesn't have yellow color. Look for orange. Okay, so you have to arrange this piece, should be here. Orange, blue, orange, blue. What you need to do, you have to pause this video, or you have to fast forward, or you have to rewind. It's your choice. I don't want to teach you any formula. Just do what I'm trying to convey. Okay, just rewind the video until you get this piece here. You have to keep two cubes. If you have two cubes, you can practice in one cube and you can implement the same thing in another cube. Okay, now this is arranged perfectly. Now again I'm looking for this piece which doesn't have yellow color, green. So I'm just rotating this cube. I got green, green, orange, green, orange. This piece should come here. So again, so you have arranged this one and this one. Now two more pieces left. You have this piece, red and green. Look for green. So red and green should come here. Red and green should come here. Till now you arrange this piece here, right? Now we are going to arrange this piece here, which means left side. Same formula but reverse order. Okay, now you have this one, this one, this one, the last piece. Look for it, red color, have the red. Now perfectly arrange everything. Okay, and we need to arrange the top layer.